to my channel. My name is Nathan Tombra. Feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. So today's venue, I'm making the video at the university library, so feel free to like, share, comment and subscribe. So for some few days I've been noticing the frequent comments of NDU POST UTME suggestion in almost all my videos comment. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. So I hope Smart Thinking is actually watching this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to know or you need to do is that you need to put NDU as your first choice of institution, because when you are taking your JAM form, you have 4 options. Then you have a state, normally it's supposed to be like a state university, a polytechnic, a federal university, then all those careers, sometimes I don't really know what they call them. Yes, so you have to put NDU as your first choice. If not, I don't think you'll be allowed to even write their post UTME, because I remember when I was writing mine, they asked those that actually put NDU as their second choice of institute to go one side. So I don't know about the story. I don't know if they later end up writing the exams. Yes, so if you really want to come to Nigeria Delta University, you have to put NDU as your first choice. First point is that you need to check if the course you want to study deep down is actually accredited in Nigeria Delta University, because I've seen a situation whereby my roommate actually studied something else, and when she graduated, on her certificate they wrote something different from what she studied entirely, and that's really bad. I don't want that to really happen to you guys. So the next point is that you need to ask frequent questions about what you want to study, about the school, about the environment, about the culture, about different things about Nigeria Delta University. Ask question, ask question, ask questions. So it's when you keep asking questions, it actually save your time, it actually save your energy for you not to do something different or do something entirely time consuming from what you really want to do in NDU. So you need to check your financial background before coming to NDU. Yes, because schooling in NDU is really high. So you need to check your financial background, because Delsu, Unilag and the rest, they're actually paying lesser than 50,000 naira in some courses, but in NDU you won't see a course for 50,000 naira at all. Yes, the average you can see is from 90,000 naira upward. So it's advisable you check your financial background, most especially when you're actually studying, or most especially when you are taking care of yourself in school, because some incidents happened, that was some few days back, for some few weeks back, where the Vice Chancellor of Nigeria Delta University asked those that have not paid their school fees to go back to the previous level they've paid their school fees for, and I don't want something like that to happen to you. So it's advisable you check your financial background before coming down to NDU, or before choosing NDU as your choice of institution. So it's advisable you also go for something you actually have passion for, because the long way to success in NDU or in any other school is very difficult. Just like if you don't have passion for, okay, let me put it this way, like for instance, me, I have passion for, not like passion, I have strength for anything calculation, but once it comes to reading straight up, I can't. I don't have, I can't just do that for like 1 hour straight. It's not my thing. So for instance, if you have passion for physics, you don't have passion for medicine, why are you going for, if you have passion for physics and you don't have passion for biology, why are you going for something medical? Why are you going for something that won't, oh my god, money what student, I mean money what department, I mean money whatever, you are coming to destroy my video. Okay, so I'm going to just wait, then continue. Talking about passion, I was talking about passion. So it's advisable you go for something you have passion for. It's advisable you know your strengths and your weakness, because if you have strength for anything calculation, it's advisable you go for maybe engineering, pure and apply physics and the rest. Don't stress yourself going for anything you know you don't have strength for, because at the long run you get tired. Like, yes, you get tired, you get frustrated. That's why most of the time you'll be like, school is stressful, school is this, school is that. But at the end of the day, if you check the person saying that school is actually stressful, yes, school is stressful, but 90% of students saying school is stressful, they are talking about them not going for what they have strength for. So if in a situation whereby you say your parents said no, that you should not go for maybe medicine or go for something different, yes, there's no how you will tell me that you don't have how to tell your parents this what you want, this what you want, this what you don't want. There's no how. There's everybody in this life listening one way or the other. Just know how to talk to your parents, and yes, you'll be studying what you want in school. Yeah, okay. ND is actually under ASU. In case you are looking for a school that will be fast, you have plans for your future. Everybody have plans, but maybe you want to study abroad, or you want to do something really quick and you need your certificate really fast. NDU is actually under ASU, and it's not advisable you come to NDU if you have those plans, because we are in Nigeria. You guys know what ASU is doing to students. ASU is frustrating us. Yes, ASU is frustrating us. By now I'm supposed to be in my 400 level or so, but because of the corona break and the rest, so you need to know or check if the school you want, if ND is not part of what you actually want, if it's actually under ASU or not. Yes, ASU is frustrating us. Yeah, so you need to be ready for anything, because you have grow. Yes. Let me put it that word, you have grow. You don't need, most of the time you do things yourself 247. Your parents will be with you, your guidance will be with you, so you need to be ready for anything. Be time conscious whenever you come down to NDU for your post UTME. You have to be time conscious. You don't need to panic. In case whenever you're writing your exams, don't panic, because you must see shaggy. But I pray you don't see shaggy, because I remember when I was writing my post UTME, that was 2017. Yes, 2017, when I was writing my post UTME, my system tripped off. That was twice. Yeah, everybody was just there panicking and the rest. I don't know, maybe because NDU was not really my choice of institution back then. That's why I was not really panicking or stressed out about that. Initially, when I bought my JAMB form, I was not up to the age of the institute I wanted to go for deep down. So my dad said, okay, let me just get the JAMB form, then feel NDU, just get the experience of how JAMB feels like, how post UTME feels like. And luckily I got the admission into NDU. I was just grateful that I took my dad's advice. Most of the time it's advisable you come down to your school environment to check how the school is, maybe the culture, the environment, if it's suitable for you to live in and the rest. Yeah, so it's advisable you come down to NDU to check, especially when you don't have people in NDU. Yeah, it's better you come down to check the school environment if it's suitable for you to live in. Yeah, and please don't look for a house. Don't look for a house when you come down. Please don't look for a house when you come down, because I've seen a situation whereby the girl, before she got the admission, or she was not even given the admission, but she has rented an apartment already, so we had to look for someone that is going to take that house, then just compensate her. Yeah, so it's not advisable you do that, because you will break down. Like, the heartbreak is different, because you start investing in school already, but you've not given the admission. So yeah, so feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. Feel free to comment on what you want to know about NDU, or what you want me to talk about in my next video.